Here we are going to start the second video for exponents, and in this video I am going to discuss some more questions based on the laws of exponents. Now see the question: simplify and express as a rational number. So we have to simplify it and express the number as a rational number. So you can see 4 by 9 and 4 by 9. This value is known as the base. This value is known as the power or exponent. So we can see here that bases are same. So according to the first law, if base are same, so powers are added. A to the power m into a to the power n will be equal to a to the power m plus n. So here we can write 4 upon 9 to the power 6 plus of minus 4. So 4 upon 9 to the power 6 minus 4. So 4 upon 9 to the power 6 minus 4 will be 2. We have to express this number as a rational number. So when you will open the bracket, so this 2 will come on numerator also, this 2 will come on the denominator also. So we can write 4 square upon 9 square. 4 square means 4 multiplied by 4. It will be 16, and 9 square means 9 into 9 will be 81, and this will be our answer. Same way we will do the B part also. 4 by 3 and 4 by 3. Bases are same, cases of multiplication, powers are added. So we will write here 4 by 3 to the power minus 3 plus minus 2. So 4 upon 3 minus 3 minus 2. So here it will come 4 upon 3 to the power minus 3 minus 2 will be minus 5. Now when the power is negative, we can change this power into positive by simply reciprocal the base. According to the law, a to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon a to the power n. Whenever the power is negative, we can change into positive by simply reciprocal the base. So we can write this value as 3 by 4 to the power 5. Now again, this 5 will come on 3 also, this 5 will come on 4 also. So here 3 to the power 5 upon 4 to the power 5. So 3 to the power 5 will be your 3 multiplied 5 times. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 4 to the power 5 means 4 is multiplied 5 times. So when you multiply 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81, 81 3 ja 243. And this value 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, 64 into 4 will be 256 into 4, 1024, and this will be your answer. And you can see that 243 upon 1024 will be your rational number. Now let us see another question. Now see, next question is given as express as a rational number. We have to simplify. First question is given as here minus 3 to the power minus 1 into 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1. So minus 3 to the power minus 1. Again we can change this minus power into positive by simply reciprocal the base. We can write here as minus 1 upon 3 into, and this value again we can change this negative into positive by simply again reciprocal the base. So 3 will go, 1 by 3 reciprocal will be your 3. Now from here we can see 3 and 3 cancelled. Answer is minus 1. Now see next question. Question number second. 5 upon 7 into 7 upon 4 to the power minus 1, this will be also minus 1. Now see, in this question we can't apply the law, because for the law the bases should be same. So we can change this negative into positive by simply reciprocal the base. It will become 7 upon 5. This will become 4 upon 7. 7 7 cancelled. Answer is 4 upon 5. Now see next question after this. Next question is given as 3 by 2 to the power of minus 1 divide minus 2 by 5 to the power of minus 1. Now here again inside this bracket we can change this power as positive by simply reciprocal the base. It will become 2 by 3 divide, this will become 5 minus 5 upon 2. Now 2 by 3 divide minus 5 by 2. Now you can see that we have to divide this value. Again simply we will divide as we are dividing into, this value will be reciprocal, it will be minus 2 upon 5. Now 2 2s are 4 and 3 5s are 15. So here we can write answer will be minus 4 upon 15. Now see the next value here. Now next question is simplify minus 1 by 4 to the power 2 bracket minus 2 again minus 1. Now I have told according to the power a to the power m to the power n. So power over power will be multiplied. Power over power will be multiplied. This is the fourth law. So minus 4 to the power 2 2s are 4 and 4 into 1 will be 4. Minus minus will be plus. So minus 1 upon 4 to the power 4. If you want you can change this value. So this 4 will come on this minus 1 and 4 will come on this 4 also. It will be minus 1 to the power 4 upon 4 to the power 4. So minus 1 to the power 4 will be 1. And 4 to the power 4 means 4 is multiplied 4 times. So when we will multiply it will come 256 and that will be our result. Now see next question. Find x such that 3 by 5 to the power 3 into 3 by 5 to the power minus 6 is equal to 3 by 5 to the power 2x minus 1. Now you can see that in this question 3 by 5, 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 all the bases are same. On the left hand side you will see that bases are same, case is of multiplication, so powers are added. So 3 by 5 to the power 3 plus of minus 6 is equal to 3 by 5 to the power 2x minus 1. Now 3 upon 5 to the power 3 minus 6 is equal to 3 by 5 to the power 2x minus 1. Now 3 upon 5 to the power 3 minus 6 will be minus 3 is equal to 3 upon 5 to the power 2x minus 1. Now you can see that on the left hand side and on the right hand side both the side bases are same. So we simply equate the powers. We will not write the base, we will simply write the powers. So minus 3 will be equal to 2x minus 1, minus 1 transfer this side, plus 1 is equal to 2x, minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2 is equal to 2x, value of x will be minus 1 and this will be a result. So in this way we are going to calculate whenever this type of question you will get. So our main motive is that on the left hand side and on the right hand side bases should be same. If bases are not same, then we have to make the bases equal. Now see the next question now. Question is simplify 16 into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 4 into 2 to the power n upon 16 into 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 to the power n plus 2. Now in this question we have to calculate the value. What we will do here, we can write 16 as 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means your 16. This value we can break as 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 1, because on the power you will see n plus 1. So according to the law, a to the power m plus n, we can write a to the power m into a to the power n. So opposite side also we can go, minus 4 into 2 to the power n upon, again this you don't change, simply write 16 into 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 2 minus 2 into 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 2. Now on the numerator we can take common as 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n and 2 to the power n we can take common. Inside the bracket we will get 16 into 2. 16 into 2 minus 4 upon, in denominator we can take 2 to the power n as common. Again inside the bracket we will get 16 into 2 square. 2 square will be 4. So we can write 16 into 4 minus 2 into 2 square. 2 square will be 4. So we can write 2 into 4. Now 2 to the power n and 2 to the power n will be cancelled from here. 16 2s are 32. So we can write 32 minus 4 upon 16 4s are 64 minus 2 4s are 8. 32 minus 4 will be 28 upon 64 minus 8 will be 56. So 28 ones are 28 2s are, so our result will be 1 upon 2. Now see next question after this. Next question is given as find the value of n. So question is given as 8 into 2 to the power n plus 2 is equal to 32. Now I have told that on both the sides we have to make the bases same. So here 8 we can write 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power n plus 2 is equal to 32. We can write 2 to the power 5. These all values are coming from your prime factorization. When you will go for prime factorization, it will come 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It will come 2 5 times. So now bases are same. Cases of multiplication, the powers are added. 2 to the power 3 plus n plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the power 3 plus 2 will be 5. 5 plus n is equal to 2 to the power 5. Now bases are same on both the side. For this type of question always we make the bases same on left hand side and right hand side. So now bases are same, simply we equate the power. 5 plus n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5 minus 5. So value of n will be 0. Now see the next question. find the value of n where 9 into 3 to the power n is equal to 3 to the power 6. Again we can write 9. Right hand side base is 3. So on the left hand side we have to make all the bases as 3. Value of 9 we can write as 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power n is equal to 3 to the power 6. Now 3 and 3, again the bases are same. Powers are added. 3 to the power 2 plus n is equal to 3 to the power 6. Now simply equate the bases. 2 plus n will be equal to 6. N will be equal to 6 minus 2. Value of n will be your 4. So these are some questions based on the exponents. In the next video we will go through the topic that is of scientific notation. Thank you.